So this has been quite a year for HIPAA. COVID has meant changed regulations, suspended requirements, and tons of confusion. As we've addressed in some of our articles, there's been confusion about whether HIPAA is suspended, whether providers are required to follow it at all, and everything in between. COVID has made a mess of this. I'm Erin Jackson with Jackson LLP Healthcare Lawyers. Our suggestion is at this point, as vaccination rates increase and the likelihood of us returning to life as normal looks like it might be possible later this year, it's time for practices to do a HIPAA checkup. Now, if you have your required HIPAA policies and procedures in place, you already know an annual risk assessment is required. So that risk assessment ensures that you're compliant with HIPAA's privacy and security requirements, and it also assesses whether you are up to date on its breach notification requirements. The risk assessment gives you an opportunity to see if anything has changed since you last did one that might impact the security of patient records. So even if it's not time for your annual risk assessment, the question is, has anything else happened that could impact the vulnerability or security of patient records? The answer for pretty much all of us is yes. There's been a pandemic, and all of the changed regulations and requirements have absolutely created situations where patient records may have been compromised. For example, if you've been using your personal cell phone, Skype, FaceTime, things like that, even if those were permissible during the pandemic, that doesn't mean they didn't create more opportunities for patient data to be compromised. Now is the time to be proactive about it, to determine whether there have been vulnerabilities in your record keeping or your storage of patient data, and to start to prepare your practice to return to normal compliance requirements and normal standards in a post-COVID world. If you'd like assistance with this, you'd like to understand your HIPAA policies and procedures, your obligations, any of that, and you're in any of the states in which our firm practices, please reach out for a consultation and we can walk you through the entire compliance process. For more tips on staying compliant, subscribe to our YouTube channel.